Okay, this is day 3. Actually, due to the daylight, it's day 3, but it hadn't been over 24 hours, 48 hours yet, so about 30 something hours. So we're gonna get this thing, take a look at it, do a water, make sure our lid's on good. See, that thing comes off, that's junk. So here we go. This is the morning, and we'll do it again this evening. I'll do that to make sure there's no seeds stuck to it. So let's take a look. Big difference today. Talk about the germination. You notice, I don't know if you can see it, but I was telling you about the wicking system, but let's see here. It might be really difficult to see. But anyway, you notice that it's still wet, and I haven't watered it since last night. More regular light, and I have a window over there with the LED light on it. Now I got light over there. But anyway, hope you're enjoying this. You can grow microgreens at home. Now, I have a LED light closet set up for grow lights that I just bought at Walmart for $10–15 a piece. They're really low. They're 5,000 kelvins, and I got 2 red and blue ones and just 2 straight up white ones. But I put 2 of each on a shelf. But for what I'm doing, they do good. But anyway, I know I just sprayed it, but I'm going to spray it again. Now, I won't spray this again until the night. Get it nice and wet. Always try to keep moisture in your seeds. Now, look at that. And when these get growed up, right now I have to spray them on top because they've got no way to pull the water up from roots. But whenever they start rooting out and they get high enough, I can take this black off out. This is a blackout. It's for, I'm going to weigh that down. Notice the difference between I weighed it down and I didn't have it weighed down. It's doing so much better this time. So that does help. It's just a little tip. But you spray them on top 2 or 3 times a day. Morning, noon, or night, or morning and night, until they get tall enough to where you want to take the lid off of them, and then you want to let them photosynthesize. But you spray them on top until you take that lid off. When you take that lid off, I'd say spray it one more time, and then just let them start bottom feeding from the water that's in the bottom, which is actually it's not just water. It is this grow mixture here. It is let me move this to the side. And this stuff, believe it or not, I bought in 2015, and I paid good money for this, but at the same time they're smaller jugs, but this stuff seems to last for a long time. I haven't had any issue with it. It's been frozen, it's been cold or freezing weather. I don't know if it actually froze or not. But these seeds are over 2 years old. So the rate of germination is really amazing. Now, I'm trying to get set up with affiliate marketing from where I produced, where I bought these seeds at. post United States getting the virus over here publicly known. But, well, let me scratch that out. Anyway, before certain things happen to our economy, yeah, I guess you might say, I bought these seeds, and I still got leftovers because I don't grow them a lot. I mean, this is just for showing y'all, but it is nice to put a microgreen garden up and keep it. It's been colder over here, and I haven't heated my room up in there, so right now they're on the table. But anyway, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. It's very important to subscribe, and I just want to thank you again. And I'll be adding the second part to this clip this evening, and then I'll be getting it out. Well, it'll be on the same video. But this is the morning time, day 3. Day 3. Okay. Day 3. And this is the evening. Look at that. Things are really starting to perk out there. Alright, back to here, check my lid, shake this up a little bit, and spray again. Get it nice and soaking wet. And this is nutrients, this is plant food. They respond pretty well to it. Alright. That's this stuff right here, and a mix to the what's on the back. But I'm really happy with it. It's good stuff. Alright, like, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe. I'm really trying to build 1K subscribers. Please help me get there. Thank you. Have a great day. Tomorrow I'll post again. Day 4.